So, this is how to connect Google Sheets with WooCommerce. Most tutorials overcomplicate this, but it's actually just installing one plugin and getting Google to trust your site. Now, in the left sidebar, click on Plugins, then click Add New at the top of the page. In the search bar, type Spreadsheet Integration. Look for the plugin called Spreadsheet Integration by JavMah. This plugin automates Google Sheets with WordPress, WooCommerce, and most popular form plugins. Click Install Now on this plugin. Once it's installed, click Activate to enable the plugin. Now you need to set up Google API credentials. Open a new browser tab and go to console.cloud.google.com and sign in. Click Select a project at the top, then click New Project. Give your project a name like WooCommerce Integration and click Create. Wait for the project to be created, then select it from the dropdown. Search for Google Sheets API and click on it. Click Enable to activate the Google Sheets API for your project. You'll also want to search for Google Drive API and enable that one too. Now click on Credentials in the left sidebar. Click Create Credentials and select Service Account. Enter a service account name like WooCommerce Sheets. You can add a description if you want, then click Create and Continue. For the role, select Editor from the dropdown. Click Continue and then Done. Click on the service account email you just created. Go to the Keys tab and click Add Key, then Create New Key. Select JSON as the key type and click Create. This downloads a JSON file to your computer. Keep this file safe since it contains your authentication credentials. Go back to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Google Spreadsheet Integrations to expand the submenu. Click on Settings from the drop-down menu. This opens the Google Service Account settings page. Copy the entire contents of your downloaded JSON file and paste it into the text field. Click Save to store your credentials. Make sure to note down the service account email address since you'll need it to share your Google Sheet. Now create a new Google Sheet where your data will be synced. Go to your Google Drive and create a new spreadsheet. Give it a name like WooCommerce Data. Click the Share button in the top right corner of your Google Sheet. Paste the service account email address and give it editor permissions. Click Send to grant access. Now go back to the Spreadsheet Integrations menu in WordPress. Click on the main Spreadsheet Integrations option. This shows you the integrations page where you can add new integration. Click the Add New Integration button to create your first connection. This opens the new integration form. Give your integration a title like WooCommerce Products. For data source, choose the type of WooCommerce data you want to sync from the dropdown. This could be new products, orders, customers, or other WooCommerce events. For this example, select WooCommerce New Product. For Spreadsheet and Worksheet, click the dropdown. Select your Google Sheet from the dropdown. Choose the specific Worksheet tab where you want the data to appear. Now you need to set up the column mapping between WooCommerce data and your Google Sheet columns. In the Worksheet column title section, you'll see fields for columns. Pick whatever event data you need. This maps your WooCommerce product data to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. Click Save to store your integration settings. Now go to your WooCommerce products section in WordPress. Click Add New to create a test product. Enter Demo Product as the product title. In the description field, type Demo. Click Publish to create the product. Now go back to your Google Sheet and refresh the page. You should see the new product data appear in the columns you mapped. The integration automatically syncs new products to your Google Sheet.